2024 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and turn them into delicious dishes. This year, we've got a bit of a French theme going on. For Maestro, we've got Maestrotato, a potato and caramelized fennel gratin. Once again, Bradley Cooper has created a movie based on the loving relationship of two people and how it goes awry or not. But my favorite part about the movie was how he had the film, like if it was the time when there was black and white film, it was black and white. And it was shot in 4:3 until you got to more modern days, and then it was in 16:9. That was incredible. Creating a dish for this movie, I knew I wanted to take two different ingredients and bring them together in a symphony of delicious flavors. The two together being way better than when they're apart. All right, that's a stretch because we know a potato and fennel are just amazing, but this really does sing. It's creamy, it's got some gorgeous sweetness, some savory, it's got the crusty cheese on the outside. For Maestro, what better dish? Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.